Here with another Minecraft tutorial video. Today we are going to be doing the T-34-85, not the T-34-85-76, which I made a mistake last time. This is the T-34-76, not T-34-85-76, which I said last time. So, T-34-85, this is the tank we're going to be building, which is, it's got the big turret with the 76mm or 75, I don't know. Yeah. So, this is a Russian medium tank and was used during World War II and the Cold War. So yeah. So the first layer, you're going to need a nether brick stair, a trapdoor, a spruce dark oak slab, or spruce slab if you want to. And that's it. So, and also nether brick block. Oh, I haven't planned out my thing, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, keypad. So there, 1, 2. Okay, there. That's our first. So first, you want to place down another big block right there, and place this down on the front. Now I'm going to go 6 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then do 2 apart, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now place a stair on the end. Now I'm going to take your slabs and go all the way to the front, like that. And break the 2 on the front, like there. Place your slabs there. Now place item frames on the nether brick blocks for your road wheels. And then put green concrete in them, right there. No, I don't want that. There. Now, the second layer, you're going to need to place 2 blocks right there. 1 on the track, 2 away from the end. Now I'm going to need a nether brick stair, not nether brick, dark oak stairs and spruce stairs. And place right here, just alternate, that's what I'm going to do for my camouflage. Oops, let's see. Place that. Oh, wrong. Right there. You want to place 2 more trapdoors on top of here. So the keyboard cover is not lined up. There. And there. And place a green carpet on there and there. Now I'm just going to go around with your alternating stairs. Like that, go outwards, like there. This is the one that has engine detail, so if you want to, you can just place an anvil and a stone brick wall right here and there. Now you want to place 2 trapdoors right here for your firewall, and there. That's the engine compartment done. So for the third layer, what you're gonna need is a green concrete. Actually, no. I need to do the snow thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to place 2. So right here, you're gonna have 4 snow layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what you want to do. Now for the third layer, what you want to do is go here. Do /summon armor stand. Try and get it in the middle as possible, like there. It's probably good enough. Let's see if we can do commands. That's armor stand right here. 1, 5. I don't know what this is. There. Okay, then I need 1x, right? No, so it's 90. 90. And 6. There. Yeah. Do that until you do this. Now you just want to do this normal stand. Just try to get in the middle of here. As far as you can, and use some armor stand. It's good enough. Now, what you want to do is place a green concrete there, and take a piston need a piston and a red power source. Not redstone block, but it doesn't have to be redstone block, but it can. Power source, place it there, and now I just want to place a trap door on top of that, like there. Press, and there. You're also going to want to take a turtle shell and place it on each armor stand. So put it there and there. So next, you're going to place a trapdoors right here, there, on each side like that, and there. Now I'll place you want to have your stairs here and there for your mantlet. Now I'm going to take a debug. Actually, no, you don't want a debug stick yet because you want to place down your signs. So now this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signs. So we're going to place 1, 2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 4, 5. No, stop it. No! What the heck are you doing? 4, shift. Oh my gosh. What the heck is happening? Seriously, bro, excuse me. Now I want to take this to right click to face north. Now just do this, so just click them like that. And there's your barrel. Now I want to click this to shape. So it's there, this to shape. No, shape, there. There's your gun barrel. Now I want to take, for the next layer, I want to take a slab for your cupola and put it there. There, place it there. Now you're going to take a slab, and how does this go? Yeah, you want to go like this and place it there. Now I want to take your piston. Do your 2 slabs. Or no, 2 trapdoors, I mean. No, that's not what I want. Trapdoors, and take your pistons and your power source. Do like that or something. I can't build. There. And power them, and you also need to do this right here. So just do this, there, there, and there. No, wrong. Here, there, there, there. Nice. Okay. Finally, I'm done. Here is your completed T-34-85. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.